everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made this really delicious and easy Titus fish sauce, and you can pair this with yam, white beans, white rice, some pasta, boiled plantain, anything. Like this Titus fish just goes with anything and requires minimum effort, guys. So obviously I'm using yam, so the first thing I'm doing is just putting my frozen yam into the pot. I'm adding some water, I'm going to add some salt, and I'm just going to boil this for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. And for the pepper mix, I'm using 2 red chilies, 1 Scotch bonnet, and some cherry tomatoes, as well as 2 red bell peppers. And I'm just going to blend this. Whilst I was blending, I also added some onions. I just forgot to show that, so just a small amount of onions that I added to it. And I'm just going to roughly blend it. You don't want it to fully blend, just roughly blend it. And in a frying pan, I'm adding some oil. I'm going to heat this up and then add my onions to it, and then just allow my onions to fry for like a minute or two, and then add half of the pepper sauce. You can do everything you've blended. I'm just using half of it because I don't have enough Titus fish for that amount of sauce, so I'm only making a small amount. And then I added some all-purpose seasoning. I'm adding 1 maggi cube as I'm not making a lot of sauce. You can also add a pinch of salt. I'm not just a big fan of salt in my soups anymore. And I'm just going to leave this to fry for like 5-6 minutes. And when that's done, it's already beginning to burn on the sides. So I'm just going to scrape the sides into the stew just to put everything together, and it gives it that kind of like smoky flavor, if you know what I'm saying. But obviously don't let your stew burn, please. And I'm just going to stir and stir and then leave it for like another 5 minutes to keep frying. And I'm just adding Lagos chili pepper because when I tasted it, it didn't taste really spicy, despite the fact that I used 2 Scotch bonnets, so I had to add more spice to it. So this is the Titus fish that I'm using. I'm using the sardines. I drained some of the oil, but it still had a little bit of oil in it, which added more oil to the sauce, so be careful with that. Also, you can use like fresh Titus fish and then debone it and then boil it and that kind of stuff. Well, you boil it before deboning it, but to just avoid the entire stress, that's why I'm using sardines. And just fry this together for like 2 minutes, and then you're done. Your sauce is ready. Look at that. Well, guys, it was so good. And the fact that it didn't require as much seasoning as any other soup that I would normally make, and it didn't require that much effort. It was so quick, and it was so good. I do hope you try out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and share this video with your family and friends. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.